PisoNet recommendations. Hi, naba mo yung mareko na PisoNet around Igpit area? What time pod ga open? LTO accredited medical clinic. Hello po, asa pwede makakuha og medical certificate for non-professional driver's license? Pwede sad mag-asa price? Thank you sa maka-reply. Chinese or Korean chiro or lymphatic massage. Hello CDO people, naamo na bala na place for any Korean or Chinese chiro or lymphatic massage spa? Thank you. Makaagi ra ba sa Buddha route from Davao to CDO? DDR4 RAM 3200 MHz for sale, DDR4 RAM 3200 MHz for sale, or swap sa GoPro Hero 7, 8, or 9. Looking for recommendation swimming coach for adult, wanted to be better at swimming, planning to do long distance swimming in the future. 24 hours motor shop or vulcanizing near Nazareth. Naamoy masuggest nga open karon here sa Nazareth. Magpa-check engine sa motor. Urgently needed lang kaayo. Salamat. Brow lamination and tint. Hello, naamoy ma-recommend na very nice jud mo brow mapping and tint. Very desperate jud kaayo ko kaya someone nga dili ka malo manghilay. Na ako'y na-tryan here upod CDO. Dili lang ko mag-name drop pero nadismaya jud ko sa result and I paid 4,000 na. Asa makapalit og roti flatbread here sa CDO aside sa Fat Monk. As title suggests, asa makapalit og roti flatbread here sa CDO. Warts removal. Asking for derma or clinic recos na affordable for warts removal sa face. Thank you. Looking for a video editor for a funeral tribute video. Hi, I'm looking for a video editor to create a memorial or funeral tribute video for my father. Details: 26 drone video clips, no audio. Selected photos from 374 total. Final length flexible based on edit, clean, cinematic, respectful pacing. Gray Wi-Fi inquiry. Hi, I can't seem to find Gray's phone number to call them and ask about their Wi-Fi. Is there a minimum amount of purchase before getting a Wi-Fi code? And how many hours is the Wi-Fi accessible per order? Yuri's Gym question. Does anyone know here pila ang membership fee and monthly fee sa Yuri's Gym? Kanang recent price? Tried searching here pero basin outdated na and they won't answer sa calls and texts. Medyo layo-layo man good ang gym so I can't inquire directly. Thank you. Looking for carpet cleaning service. Good evening. Basin na amoy ma-recommend nga carpet cleaning service diri sa CDO. Kanang maayo unta mag-clean. Where to eat. Me and my girlfriend are gonna be celebrating our anniversary. Any recommendations within the city po? Looking for private resorts for team building. Do you know any private resorts here sa CDO or near CDO that can accommodate around 30 people overnight and affordable or not too expensive? Limos in SM Downtown. Dugay na ko wala kabalik sa SM Downtown and na-surprise ko kay daghan ka palimos. Unsay chika ani nila kay sa pila na ko kay years og anhi diri karon budget ko kasuway na daghang malimos. Birthday restaurant. Will celebrate my mom's birthday soon. Any recos on restos? Much better if kanang near hotels or within hotels so we could also spend the night there. Water bill. Hi, kada sa ninyo na-receive inyong water bill for December 2025? Nadawat ba ninyo last week or the day sa due date sa inyo by runon? Return parcel. Kinsay nakatry na ani sa Shopee, specifically SPX na courier. Dali ra ba? Na-approve naman noon ang return pero mag-ask lang ko sa details if dali ra paghatod sa hub kay bawal pick up. Thanks. Just got home, now I'm lost. Small Eats Cafes. Hello, bago ra ko kauli. Looking to spend time somewhere sa isa ka coffee shop or somewhere nga naay Small Eats. Karong hapon hangtod gabi ira. Preferably sa downtown ra para dili lisod. Thanks. Please help hotel or inn near Philippine Arena. Hello, kinsay nakaato na sa Philippine Arena? Asa mo nagstay ka ng duol ra jud sa venue o asa mo nagbook? Salamat. Looking for a gentle reminder on handbook, 2 copies. Hoping to buy 2 new copies of the book by today or tomorrow. Unta ang pick up. Hahaha. Huhuhu. Hair and makeup salon near XU for graduation pictorial and ceremony. Hello, just want to ask for recommendations sa mga salon ga offer og hair and makeup package near XU. I emphasize na near jud sa campus para pagawa sa salon diretso baklay padulong campus. And please share crowdsourcing. Coffee shop with small function room, 10 to 12 people. Any recommendations for a coffee shop with the function room for up to 12 people? Thank you. Shoe repair. Asa dapit nga shoe repair shop dinhi sa CDO ang mo re-glue og running shoes. Looking for pad. 28 female working solo living. Looking for pad or pwede na micro pad or boarding house with own CR within CDO. 3,000 to 4,000 budget. Kanang dili unta bahaon. Traumatizing kaayo ang baha. GoGo Express delay. Naa na ba'y naka-experience o grabe ka delay na pag-deliver from GoGo Express? Unsa kaya pwede mabuhat ani? Naa ba sila'y warehouse dali sa CDO? And if naa man, where ka ha? Mag 20 days na akong parcel. Derma recommendation. My cousin has been suffering from back knee and na-enjoy times na mo flare up jud siya and ga-affect iya ha confidence. Asking for derma recommendations and how much usually does it cost? Thanks. Pwede ba makatulog sa parking sa Ketkay? Hi, traveling miss akong partner mo stop lang ta na miss sa CDO and matug sa sakyanan overnight before traveling again sa morning kay basin mga 12 or 1 a.m. na may makaabot sa CDO. Pwede ra ba sa Ketkay? Dili mo pahawaon sa guard? Asa na part pwede? And safe ra ba? Looking for recommendations how to spend my birthday. I'm female, turning 24 next week and I want to spend it in a nice way within the city lang unta or nearby municipios. Di man gid ko familiar sa places diri. Any recos? Barnuts and Wiggles. Hello, asa ba di makapalit og Barnuts and Wiggles within the city? I've tried sa mga supermarkets pero wala jud ay. Childhood faves na ako ng duha and I'm so desperate makapalit otro og Wiggles and Barnuts. How can I apply as a nurse in hospitals here in CDO? Any current hiring? Frequency operated ba? Key FOB duplication. Asa dapit pwede makapaduplicate diri CDO o Key FOB. Happy House Studio, good day everyone. Tagpila ang rate sa ilahang self-shoot studio. Gina-try na akong search and walay gagawas sa prices. Treats by Kit. Anyone knows why nahunong sila effective immediately pa jud? Plan to visit pa naman og aron mamalit pang late Christmas gifts sa ako workmates. Please enlighten and if pwede pa online orders. National ID. Hello, naba mo'y idea if unsaon para makakuha physical national ID? It's been 5 years na jud and wala pa ko'y copy. I need it man jud to verify my LinkedIn kay locked out ko sa akong account dayon need og valid ID. Flu vaccine. Flu vaccine, kamusta? Kabalo ba